In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually unenroll records from workflows in Hubspot. This is a really useful skill, especially when you want to take control of your workflows and manage them effectively. So let's dive right in. To start, make your way to the Hubspot homepage. Here's where you begin your journey into managing this powerful tool. Look towards the top right corner of the page where you'll find the Login button. Give that a click. It's the gateway to accessing the various tools and data that Hubspot has to offer. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Hubspot home. This is the base camp for all your operations, providing you with an overview of all your activities and analytics. Next, you need to head over to Automations. To find this, navigate the menu, typically found on the left-hand side of your screen. Click on Automations, and this is where the magic of streamlining your processes happens. Under the Automations menu, you'll see the option for Workflows. Go ahead and click on Workflows. This section will display all your existing workflows, providing a great bird's eye view of how your processes are currently automated. Now it's time to select a specific form. In the context of HubSpot, forms typically relate to the data entries you're interested in managing, such as leads or ongoing projects. Once you've selected the form you want, look for the Edit button. This is crucial because editing allows you to modify the workflow, including making adjustments to enrollment triggers. Moving along, you'll want to focus on the Edit Enrollment Trigger option. Enrollment triggers are conditions set up at the beginning to determine which records are automatically enrolled into the workflow. However, there may be times when a particular record no longer fits the criteria, and that's where you'll need to intervene manually. After selecting the option to edit enrollment triggers, you're looking for the unenrollment option. This is typically found as part of the panel or menu within the edit section. Clicking on unenrollment brings you to the settings where you can specifically choose which record should no longer be part of the workflow. This step ensures that only relevant and eligible records remain active, enhancing the efficiency of your workflow management. And there you have it. Following these steps will not only teach you how to manually unenroll records from workflows in HubSpot, but also give you a stronger grasp of how these processes work within the platform. By managing your workflows in this way, you're ensuring that your operations remain seamless and effective. Thanks for tuning in to learn how to take charge of your workflows, and as always, happy HubSpotting.